Hello everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. And over here in this particular video, I just want to talk about JEE Mains 2026 notification, the update. As you all know, that JEE Mains 2026 registrations have been started from October 31, 2025 and they'll last long till 27th of November 2025. So over here, I just want to talk about overall about JEE Mains, what are the changes they have done this year and how you need to prepare everything about JEE Mains 2026 so that you can have a fair idea about its preparation, about the changes, about the things you need to avoid. So let's dive in. So over here initially talking about the JEE examination, the conducting body. This has been conducted by NTA to ensure a fair, transparent and efficient exam process. What's the purpose? It's a entrance test for NITs, triple ITs, GFTIs and it acts as a qualifying exam for JEE Advanced to get admissions into IITs. एग्जाम का पैटर्न क्या है? ये जो टेस्ट है ये इंक्लूड करता है MCQs एंड द न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू क्वेश्चन. एलिजिबिलिटी क्या है? जो बच्चे 12th क्लास को पास कर चुके हैं या फिर जो 12th क्लास में अपीयर हो रहे हैं उनके लिए ये पर्टिकुलर एग्जामिनेशन है विथ फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री एंड मैथमेटिक्स. There is a specific age and year of passing criteria to be applied. Scoring and results, NTA releases scores, answer keys and recorded responses online. There is no re-evaluation of the result that is allowed. Admission process, admissions are done through JOSA counseling or CSAP based on JEE Mains ranks. Reservation is followed as per the Government of India rules. Moving ahead and talking about the important date that you need to know. Online submission of application form, it started from 31st of October and it will be till 27th of November 2025 up to 9 PM. But हाँ, fee payment आप 11:50 PM तक कर सकते हैं on 27th of November. Clear? Correction in particulars of the online application form, it will be displayed on the NTA website after this 27th of November date is actually gone. City intimation slip first week of January 2026 tentatively आपको पता चल जाएगा. Downloading the admit cards from the NTA website 3 to 4 days before the date of the examination. Dates of examination अभी ये tentative है और ये हर साल होता है, ठीक है, but more likely the exam will be between 27th of January to 30th of January. ठीक है. Now, display of question paper attempted by the candidates and answer key for inviting challengings. It will be displayed on the NTA website. जैसे ही आपके एग्जाम्स खत्म हो जाएंगे. Declaration of the result by 12 of February 2026. ये dates मैंने आपको बता दी हैं. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's talk about the changes that have been made in JEE Mains 2026. यार, वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर का यूज आपको करने को मिलेगा फॉर द कमिंग JEE Mains 2026 एग्जामिनेशन एज पर द इंफॉर्मेशन बुलेटिन रिलीज्ड बाय NTA. बेसिकली उन्होंने कहा है कि वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर आपको दिया जाएगा जिसमें प्लस माइनस डिवीजन, एक सिंपल कैलकुलेटर, उसमें स्क्वायर रूट भी रहेगा एंड 1/x ये वाला पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शन भी रहेगा आप लोगों के लिए. सो वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर एडेड फॉर बेसिक कैलकुलेशंस ओनली. The options to change the screen mode has actually appeared. Yes, मतलब एक तरह से डार्क मोड का आपको एक एक्सेसिबिलिटी मिल गई है क्योंकि काफी बच्चों को परेशानी होती थी, उनको स्ट्रेस होता था आईज में, दैट्स वाई. एक ऑप्शन दिया गया है टू इंक्रीज द फॉन्ट साइज, ये भी ऐड किया गया है एंड एक मैग्नीफायर, स्क्रीन मैग्नीफायर का ऑप्शन भी आपको गिवन है टू जूम आउट दी ऑप्शंस बेसिकली. तो ये कुछ चेंजेस आपके प्लेटफॉर्म चेंजेस जो हैं जहां पर आप एग्जाम देंगे ऑनलाइन मोड में, वहां पर ये किए गए हैं. द बिगर वन इज अबाउट द कैलकुलेटर, क्योंकि आपको लग रहा होगा कि कैलकुलेटर अगर हमें मिल गया है तो यार अब हमारी कैलकुलेशंस इजी हो जाएंगे, बिकॉज शिटी कैलकुलेशंस आपको मिलती थी, लंबी लंबी कैलकुलेशंस मिलती थी. सो यू माइट बी थिंकिंग कि अब हमारे लिए इजी होगा, बट ऑन द अदर हैंड थिंक द अदर साइड ऑफ द कॉइन. कैलकुलेशंस क्या आपको क्या बिट ट्रिकी वे में मिल सकता है ना. नाउ द कैलकुलेशंस कैन बी बिट ट्रिकी. एग्जाम का थोड़ा लेवल हाई भी हो सकता है. There might be some changes in the standard of the examination, isn't it? Yeah. So the calculations will become easier. ये आप सोच रहे हैं, but superficially. Okay, that is what I want to talk about. I'll just say कि this doesn't make the exam easier. Okay, NTA can now increase the complexity of data in questions since the time pressure from manual computation is reduced. Earlier, numbers were chosen to be calculation friendly, integers or clean decimal. जैसे कि 3.14, 1.73 और 0.57 may appear more often. ठीक है, मेकिंग क्वेश्चंस मोर कॉन्सेप्ट हैवी एंड प्रिसीजन सेंसिटिव. सो इस बार ऐसा हो सकता है कि इस तरह के डेटा आपको मिल जाए. सो न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस मे बिकम ट्रिकियर. एब्सोल्युटली न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस थोड़े ट्रिकियर हो सकते हैं. कॉन्सेप्चुअल वेटेज विल इंक्रीज, might be increased. Student needs dual training now, conceptual clarity and calculator discipline. Now, the virtual calculator might lag slightly depending on the system load as seen in JEE Advanced. कभी कभार कुछ technical issues भी आ सकते हैं, तो इस पे आप over rely मत करना. बेटर यही है कि जिस तरह से आप कैलकुलेशंस मैनुअली करते हैं, मेंटली करते हैं, अप्रोक्सीमेशन लेके करते हैं, थोड़ा उस पर भी रिलाई कीजिएगा. कैलकुलेटर का यूज आप तब कीजिए कि yes, now I have to do. करना है because if they have given you the calculator option, do it. But over rely मत करना. That is what I literally want to talk about. So in manual solving क्या होता है ना, you could trace your mistake and recover. ठीक है, here अब calculator मिलने के बाद में you can't verify the immediate steps, making it very much riskier. है ना. So with calculation time reduced, NTA can now design questions that demand deep conceptual understanding. ठीक है, so आपको practice ना regularly करनी पड़ेगी in order to build the muscle memory for quick navigation between the input fields. ठीक है, so आप जो entry कर रहे हैं, क्या पता गलत entry कर दें और आपके results गलत आ जाए. Yes, so in a way students, I just want to request you that please practice keeping calm and mentally approximating before the final input. ठीक है, over reliance or panic due to misclicks can waste precious seconds. So better be alert on it. ठीक है, that is what I want to talk about. अब pattern के बारे में बात करें, it is same as of the previous year 2025 only. So mode of exam CBT, duration 3 hours, type of questions MCQs and with numerical value questions. Language of the exam English, Hindi, Assami, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada and so on. You can have a look. Marking scheme +4 for each correct answer, -1 for each wrong answer in both the MCQs and numerical type questions. Moving ahead and talking about the subject wise question distribution, it is same as it was before for the coming JEE Mains 2026. Mathematics, physics and chemistry for MCQs 20 questions, for numerical value 5 questions. Each of the 3 subjects, total questions 25, total questions per subject 25 and total questions overall is 75 basically. Total marks is 300. Okay. Now moving ahead, talking about the syllabus of JEE Mains 2026 that NTA has actually released. So we'll be providing you the link of the ebook that we have generated at Careers 360. Just click on that particular ebook and you'll be actually directed towards the syllabus that JEE Mains has released for 2026 examination. It's freely downloadable. Moving ahead and talking about, we'll be actually also providing you JEE Mains previous 10 years question papers with detailed solution so that you can practice a lot because अब time कम रह गया है. आज 1 November है, so you can just have a look. It's near about 65 days left for you people, not more than that. So you have to be now quicker and you need to start solving the previous 10 years question. Talking about, we are also having JEE Mains chapter wise PYQs ebook also, which whose link will be provided to you in the description box. They are freely downloadable. JEE Mains top 30 most repeated questions and topics की भी हमने ebook बनाई है ताकि आप लोगों के लिए आसान हो जाए चीजों को पढ़ना, ट्रैक करना और लास्ट मिनट पे आपकी प्रिपरेशन हम बिल्कुल एकदम फर्म करवाना चाहते हैं. So we have created the ebook for you so that things becomes easy for you and they are easily downloadable. Moreover, here are the links. जैसे कि अगर मैं बात करती हूँ JEE Mains chapter wise weightage के बारे में या फिर JEE previous year question paper के बारे में, what you have to do is the link of this particular ebook will be provided to you. You will be directed to this particular page wherein you can freely download the ebook. While you need to fill all these things, get the OTP and start working on. Okay, people. Yeah, moving ahead and now talking about the other things that I want to. So guys, we are having more ebooks wherein you can directly access it up for your own good basically. JEE 2026 mock test का भी ebook है, they are freely downloadable, so mock test की preparation आप यहाँ से कर सकते हैं, the link of which will be provided to you in the description box. There are various e-resources for the preparation of JEE mains which we at Careers 360 have created for you. You know, JEE main previous 10 years question with detailed solution, a very good source for you. JEE main एग्जाम हाई स्कोरिंग चैप्टर्स एंड टॉपिक जहां से 40% सिलेबस आपको पढ़ना है एंड स्कोर अप टू 100%. सो इफ आई जस्ट वांट टू नो अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर ई बुक, click on the link and here it is, download it freely. Okay, it's downloadable freely and you can just access it up. Okay, there is no hassle in it. Okay, now moving ahead and now talking about the last thing, and that is what a saying by Albert Einstein: learning is experience, everything else is just information. So we at Careers 360 are providing you each and everything for your own good, for your own ace, so that you can achieve high in your examination and perform better, come out with the flying colors. That's what we all want from you. So guys, the link of each and every ebook that has been required for your preparation strategy will be provided to you in the description box. Don't miss this opportunity. It's absolutely very much good for your preparation journey. So all the very best and good luck.